Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to create or sign up for Upload account. In order to create or open an Upload account, follow these steps. First of all, you could go ahead and use an application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So I'm going to use an application. So on the web address bar, type in Upload. It is going to take you to the page where you need to locate the application. So this is the actual one. So press the link that says www.upload.app. It is going to take you to the official page. So here what you have to do is you just need to go and click on get started in order to start with the creation of your account. Now you could go ahead and use either one of it, or you could just go ahead and press the accept button located right at the bottom and tap on the profile icon from the top right inside corner. So you could either go ahead and sign up with your email. So I'm just gonna go with sign up with an email. So mark on the terms and conditions before you do that, and select the account that you wish to go with and confirm the terms and condition. And as you can see that I've successfully created my account. So this way you could go and sign up for an Upload account in an easy way. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.